Hi, my name is Paige Mitchell. I direct the Writing Center here at the University of Maine. You're about to see some highlights from a creative writing tutorial.
So you're working on a creative writing piece, specifically slam. Okay, so tell me a little bit about what you're writing about.
So I'm writing about the different personalities I see because I work at a casino. So I guess I just want to take a few different perspectives and write about that from a server's perspective too. From like what I see.
That's really cool.
Of them.
I'm excited.
I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't, because
Okay.
I don't know if it's communicated the way I want it to, and it's also really short. There's a lot I want to add to each section, and one of them is just straight up not finished. So you insert your worn card that has seen better days into the slot machine you decided was a winner today. You chat mindlessly with people at your own pay grade. I walk to him with the coffee he always orders, having drawn smiley faces and hearts for one of my favorite and least favorite people to see. I want to see him, just not here.
Oh, man.
It sucks.
That was so good.
Thank you.
I love the bachelor part.
Thanks.
I love it. You know what would be awesome is, like you said, you use the same you, but like you put it in 3 separate situations. I think it would be more clear if you emphasized the you and maybe like did something with your physical body, like,
to show the transitions, you mean?
yeah.
Okay.
So like you, and make it like
That would be really cool,
strong.
yeah.
Approximately 1% of the time. Pause. You are here.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I get a lot of pushback, and I get called like a buzzkill and stuff like that, and suddenly
Yeah,
like
I'd put that in there.
something that like I don't know is automatically conveyed is like my uniform is like I do worry when I get down to the bachelor part that it makes sense that he's having a hard time making eye contact.
Yeah, I didn't get that. I don't think it would be weird to put that in there because it's slam.
I think I just feel weird about it because I'm putting it on paper, so I'm like, oh, I'm writing. It's
I mean,
normal.
if you don't want to, then don't. But in slam, anything goes, you know?
Okay, so I say, you smile brightly at your comrades and struggle to maintain eye contact with me.
You could say something like, you struggle to look at my eyes, not my blank. I personally like you struggle, what do you say? You struggle to make eye contact?
You smile brightly at your comrades and struggle to maintain eye contact with me despite your bride-to-be.
Okay, what about you smile brightly at your comrades or not like and, but then like new sentence. Despite your bride-to-be, you struggle to look at my eyes.
I don't,
What are you thinking?
I want to mention the crap uniforms and what they do to like make people think less of us, but like I don't want to mention the uniform directly. You know what I mean?
Oh, well, I was gonna say, despite your bride-to-be, you struggle to maintain eye contact with me, and not my uniform, or like, and not what. I want to say. Like, go.
The uniform doesn't allow for you to look at much else but skin.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
The last me. Okay, so be and me rhyme. Do you want to do?
Yeah, I don't want it.
So you struggle to maintain
Oh,
eye contact.
yeah, I can do that. I was reading that too, and I was thinking it was weird, but I couldn't figure out why. That's why.
The uniform doesn't allow for you to look at much else but skin. That is so good.
You're the bomb.
And I love the sweetheart part and the shudder that rips through my body. Look at you. You're so
I
good.
really want to work on this more.
I would love to work on my stuff with you too.
Thank you for watching. We work with all writers at any stage in the writing process on any writing project. If you are interested in making an appointment, please visit us at 402 Neville Hall or follow the links in the description of this video.